everyone, with me today I have these replacement filters for my Brita pitcher. Now I've been using this pitcher for quite a while and it's such a great way to filter water, but you need to make sure you got good filters as well. Now these ones have advanced filtration to remove all those heavy metals, taste and odor, and so much more. Plus it has long-lasting performance because it lasts 3 times more than those standard filters, and you have to replace these every 120 gallons for best tasting water. Now this has a simple and quick installation. Here's what the filter looks like. All you gotta do is take the top off the Brita, go ahead and place it inside, making sure it's aligning, and press down for a tight seal, and it's ready to go. Now you can stop buying bottled water and reduce plastic waste. Plus, this one's compatible with a bunch of different Brita pitchers, including the Brita Classic model and many more. So if you want to upgrade your water quality, order these replacements, and of course get your Brita filter as well, because together they make the perfect tasting water, and you can go ahead and enjoy that while reducing your waste as well. Find it on Amazon.